What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and that's probably because you haven't hit the bell. Thank you again for all your support. We're so proud of the amazing community that we've built. So we're just taking a really quick look at XRP here, and as we can see, things basically looking really good, aren't they? You can see obviously we had this massive downtrend that we were in for a while. We got high, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low, lower, high. We come down and we basically do this, don't we, where you can see we're starting to bottom out. We've got a bit of a curve going on here where we're basically making, a structure something like this. And then eventually we do get our double bottom like this. We come up, make a high, low, higher, low, high. And then we've come down again and made a similar low. We've basically just put in a range, haven't we? And you can see exactly what's happened over the past week or so. Ever since we had that big correction for Bitcoin down with the El Salvador news, and then obviously Bitcoin whales took advantage of that to dump the market. You can basically see what happened was we've been consolidating between our 55 and our 20 moving average just like this for essentially a week for XRP, haven't we? Looking, pretty damn bullish, just basically putting in a range, holding support really nicely, looking something like this, basically waiting for a bit of a break in either direction between the EMAs, and it does look as though, considering the market, it does look as though it's getting back on its feet. It seems like alt season is occurring for a lot of cryptocurrencies. Obviously Solana's been pumping massively recently, and a lot of other smart contract platforms. It does seem likely that, we're preparing for that next leg up, aren't we? Because we're holding support really bullishly. We're in a very nice uptrend here. And it's only going to take one pump to the upside, really, to see ourselves, coming back up to these highs at around this 140 area and then having a really nice pump up. So, obviously, overall for XRP, we did put in a range, maybe, something like this, where essentially we come down, we come back up. Something like that, sorry. Come down, we come back up. We come down to our to the bottom of our range. We fell through it. We tried to reclaim it. We fell down again, but we double bottomed. We come back up and we retest our EMAs. We reclaim them. We come up and we break through our range. We retest it as support numerous times, and that's actually what we're still doing right now. As you can see here, we're in and around that previous swing high resistance flipped into support. And if we can continue to hold this level, looking something like this, then we're basically going to be looking really bullish, aren't we? Because we're essentially just holding that previous level of resistance as support, waiting for that next leg up. So basically things looking really bullish. You can see here things are looking pretty solid in general. Short-term price predictions, we would say, if we do lose this level at around this 55 here, we do have a swing low of this previous candle coming in at around 95 cents and then down to around 90 cents as well. We've got this previous level of, there's a massive area of structure here that we could call on to get a bounce. If we did roll over and then make that big macro higher high, higher low, and then for that next leg up. And then obviously if we do start to pump up, we want to reclaim the 20 moving average at around $1.12. And then our target is the top of this range here around 132 and beyond. And then if we take a look at our fib retracement tool here, just to get an idea of what kind of price targets we're looking for, you can see here once we hit the all-time high, at, this local high, sorry, at around $2, we do have the 127 coming at around $2.81, the 141 coming at around $3.50, which is around the previous all-time high. We've got the 161 coming at around $4.50. And then we've got the 227 here coming at around a nice $10 or $11. And then overall, because XRP has been so suppressed, if you just drag the fib out for the entirety of this bull run, if we just go on a chart that's got a bit more history. Where's the Bitstamp one? If you go on the chart that's got a bit more history, you can see here quite clearly that, if we draw our fib for the entire bull market from the previous all-time high to the previous all-time low of this recent market, you can see we've got some massive overextensions here, which we might be hitting. So that's it, guys. We'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with the 4 videos that we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.